Hi guys, I'm going to be playing with, for a couple of cards, I'm going to be playing with the new wax seal of the month. This one says Merry Christmas to you. I also recently, because, I have a warmer. I do have a wax warmer right here that you use a tea light with. I'm in Florida though, and I have my AC on all the time, so it was constantly getting blown out. So I decided to get myself an electronic or electric one. So I've got my warmer over here already heating up. It probably needs to be turned up a little bit. And we're going to add some of the wax seals that also come in the wax seal of the month and let those go ahead and melt so we can make some wax seals. This is going to be, they're going to be so cute, and it's going to be great to add just that little extra something at Christmas time. So let's go ahead and add, I'm going to add 4 because that's usually a good number to use for a single wax seal. This little guy that I got also comes with a big pot, so I can make as many as I wanted to. And that is something I haven't tried yet, but I am going to be trying in the future. Let's just stick to making them one at a time for now. That looks like it's mostly melted. Let me stir it up just a little bit. And then let's go ahead and pour that down and make our wax seal. Okay, I'm going to let that cool for just a second, and then we should be able to lift it. What I've seen online, I have done a little bit more research, and I am going to be experimenting more, but I'm learning that if you have your stamp cold, which this is right out of the box, it has not been heated, has not been used, but if you have hot wax and the stamp head is cool, it should stamp real nice and easy the first time around. So let's take a look at that. I think that looks nice. I do think I'm going to make a couple more, and then I may add some gold marker on there. I think I do have a couple of markers over here. So let's go ahead and add some more wax in. I like that red. That is real pretty. So adding in a few more little wax beads. That should be enough. That was 4. And then we will let those melt. So I've got a couple of markers that are metallic color pens. I'm not sure exactly where I got them, but I probably need to get some different ones because when I tried the gold, you can barely see. I mean, I can see it, but I can't really see it that well. It's not that bold or that pigmented. The silver is better. So you can see that Merry Christmas to You on there. So I've gone ahead and I've made a few different ones. I've got 6 of them here. I've also got some stickers. These stickers are made to put on the back so that you can place them on your cards later. The ones I'm using today are from Amazon, but Spellbinders does have them on their website. And one thing I don't like about these is that the release paper is really hard for these to come off. So I'm thinking the ones that Spellbinders has, I'm gonna have to double check. I think they have a little tab off of the side that makes it so it's easier to remove the release paper. But it also means that I've got basically 6 little embellishments that all it's going to take for me to add them to a card or a tag or to the back of an envelope or whatever is just to remove the release paper. I've already got them done, so I don't even have to take out any additional wax. I can just go with it. Let's see, how many do I have left to go? I think I've got one more. Okay, let's go ahead and put one more sticker on, and then we're going to add one of these to a card. So I like the design from the cards that I made using these fun embossing folders so much. I think that these wax seals will work perfect with this, so that's what I'm going to do. So one thing I've noticed with the stickers that I've got for these is that I can't get them off, so I'm using a craft knife to cut through the release paper on the back. Just like you would with a regular sticker if you don't have a place to, to peel it off with. But it still doesn't really like to come off, so it does take a little bit of work. Like I said, I am going to be checking into the ones from Spellbinders because I'm sure that they work better, especially if they have a little tab. I will leave a link down below after I take a look at that. If they do have the tab, I will definitely leave that there for you. So here are 2 fun cards using the wax seal, the stitch die of the month, and the embossing folder of the month. These all look so pretty. Love this design. So that's going to finish up this video. You guys have a wonderful day. Be sure to check out the playlist to see more videos where I'm using Spellbinders products, including the video where I made the fun embossing folder backgrounds for these. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.